These are some of the outcomes from a recent survey on drug use prevalence and consumption. 34% of pupils reported they had ever taken drugs. Likelihood of having ever taken drugs increased with age, from 9% of 11-year-olds to 38% of 15-year-olds. 10% of pupils said that they had taken drugs in the last year. Cannabis is the drug that pupils are most likely to have taken in the last year.
An NHS report on drug use among young people states, cannabis was the most common substance reported by young people in treatment in secure settings. 91% of all in treatment, just under half said they had problematic alcohol use, 47%, followed by nicotine, 22%, and powder cocaine, 16%.
Article 33. Government must protect children from the legal use of drugs and from being involved in the production and distribution of drugs.
Any chemical that you take in, whether as a pill, a liquid, a powder, or in another form, which can affect the way you think, feel, and act.
When you take drugs, there is always some risk involved. This is because drugs can affect different people in different ways.
How does drugs affect? It can cause us lose of memory. It can cause the issues on physical and mental. It could lose your teeth.
Behaviour issues when you're in public might make you anxious and paranoid. It may affect your sense of judgment. Motor skills, you may be addicted to weed. Irritation of lungs, affect your focus.
There are lots of different reasons why people might take drugs or drink alcohol. These might include to fit in with a group or appear popular, to see what it feels like, because they feel they should or they feel pressure to do it, to distract from different and difficult thoughts or feelings, or try to make feelings go away.
In the video description, you will find links for more information on young people and drugs. There is also information on organisations that can support young people struggling with substance misuse. This includes dealing with peer pressure around drugs and alcohol, or helping a friend you think may have a problem.